Welcome to this video on how to install a Scrigno pocket door solution. Today we're going to be going through how to install a Scrigno Tech cassette pocket door. Firstly, please ensure you have the necessary tools. You will need a hand drill, spirit level, hammer, hand pliers and a tape measure. Begin by inserting the track into the top of the cassette. You may encounter some resistance due to the built-in friction spring, which is designed to ensure a snug fit. Proceed by sliding the T-pieces onto the track. Using your hand drill and the included plugs, secure the upright into the pre-drilled holes at the end of the track. Now introduce the spacers into the gap between the upright and the cassette itself. This is a crucial step to maintain the integrity of the opening and also boost rigidity. You are now at the stage where you can start to install the cassette into the stud wall opening. There is no particular way you need to start off by screwing into the stud work. However, if you are installing this by yourself, please use a clamp and two wooden struts to hold up the cassette to ensure you can screw in correctly and safely. Now fasten in your pocket door system into the stud work using the appropriate screws. We recommend using a piece of plasterboard as a reference for flatness when securing to the stud work. Once the cassette is in place, verify the alignment with a spirit level to ensure everything is perfectly level. Congratulations, you've now installed your Scrigno pocket door solution. If you would like to see a video on how to fit a door onto one of these solutions, please click on our How to Install a Door to a Scrigno Pocket Solution video. We will go into more detail about how to attach your door onto this cassette. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.